Mom,
Yes? What is it?
what time is it now?
It is 7 o'clock.
7? Oh no.
Why are you worried?
My exam is today.
Did you set your alarm?
Yes, Mom, but my alarm did not ring.
Okay, get ready quickly.
Yes, Mom. I am very nervous.
Don't panic. Just do your best.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Is this the way to the exam center?
Yes. Go straight.
Thank you.
You look worried.
Yes, I am late.
Walk fast. You still have time.
Okay, thank you so much. Excuse me, sir. Yes? Why are you late? I am sorry, sir. My alarm did not ring. May I enter, please?
Okay, go inside quickly.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone, start writing now.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Not fully, but I will try.
Do your best.
Yes, thank you. This question is easy.
Which one?
Question number 1.
Yes.
Write slowly.
Okay. 10 minutes left.
Oh, I must finish now.
Hey, how was your exam?
It was okay.
Were you late?
Yes, but the teacher allowed me.
That's good.
I learned one thing today.
What is it?
I should not depend only on alarms.
Yes, discipline is important.
You are right.
How was your exam?
It was fine, Mom.
I am proud of you.
Thank you. I will be more careful next time.